Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is the i96 Pro on this 2019 BMW X7. So the way the system works, if someone was to get in, clone this key, try and start the vehicle won't start. So what you need to do is pass authorization. This is done by putting in a PIN code or connecting the customer's phone up with an adjustable range. What we'll do for this video is just the PIN code. So the way it's done is a triple press of the ignition. Out the ignition. Now we'll put in the push sequence. We've kept it simple on this, so we've just done 1, 2, 3 for now. Hear a melody, and now we can start. If the customer wanted to change the code, first they have to disarm the system. Within 10 seconds, it will automatically disarm. So now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Triple press to get it back on. Get our 5 bleeps, and what we'll do, we'll change it to this button if it's supported. So we've set it for 3 presses. We'll wait for a confirmation. Got our confirmation. Now repeat that again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. We've got that, so now ignition off. That's the new code learnt. So we'll give it about 10 seconds, we'll test the old code, you'll see that doesn't go in, and then we'll start again and do the new code and you'll see it starts. So that's been about 10 seconds. Ignition on with a triple press, put the old code in. No melody, so we'll start again. Ignition on with a triple press. Code 1, 2, 3. Got our melody and now we can start. This code we've just set can be between 3 and 21 presses in any order of any supported buttons. It doesn't simply have to be 3 button presses on 1 button like we've shown in the video. Also, if the customer wants to take this back to BMW, get it serviced, obviously doesn't want to disclose the code to them. This is done by first disarming the system, so ignition on, pop your code in, get your disarm tone. Now press any supported button 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps to confirm it's in valet mode. There we go. So now this is just a normal car, so they can just get in, start it up, as if it doesn't have an immobiliser on it. It's just a standard car. They can road test it, service it, do what they need to do. When you get it back, it's as simple as ignition on with a triple press. Pop your disarm code in. As I said, we've set it to 1, 2, 3 for now. We've got our double bleep and this is now protected. So like I said, after about 10 seconds this system automatically arms. So what we'll do, we'll try give it a start now. And the system's protected. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, protect it from key cloning, key theft, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.